Hello everyone. Today we are going to list top 12 best smart ceiling fan reviews. Before going to it, let's understand what makes the ceiling fan smart. The remote access control which is used to control the ceiling fan speed and the light with remotely from anywhere in the house. The next one is the voice control devices, which is like Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant, which is used to control the ceiling fan and the light with your with your voice. And the third one is the app control, which is used to control the ceiling fan with app. You have to install it in your cell phone to control the ceiling fan light and the speed. Let's enter to the 12 best smart ceiling fan. The first one is the Big S Haiku Smart Ceiling Fan, which is voice control and handheld control with a trendy and effective with a bright LED light, which is modern and unique. The second one is the Hunter Symphony Smart Ceiling Fan, which are compatible with a Wi-Fi control device and the brightest LED light, and available in the various color, which makes it the best smart ceiling fan review. And the third one is the Minka Air Slick Smart Ceiling Fan, which are operate quietly and the simple to introduce with an app, which offer the smart highlights which you can use to control it. The fourth one is the Gardenia 52-inch LED brushed nickel ceiling fan, which is cutting an innovation and work incredibly with a wing center, which is accompanied with the smart ceiling fan and with the style of this ceiling fan. The fifth one is the Hunter Apache Indoor Wi-Fi ceiling fan, which is very quiet and effective with bright LED light with the features of diminishing the light and the most the great amount of air with it. The sixth one is the Marfenius indoor and outdoor smart ceiling fan, which is a unique accompanies RF wall switch with operate with very quietly and the productive air flow. The next one is the Hareo ceiling fan with the light and the Bluetooth and the speaker, which is the unique smart spelling in this list with the features of the speaker with the ceiling fan. The eighth one is the Honeywell smart ceiling fan, which are the quite eye-getting plan, which is the look extraordinary with the simple to introduce and the smart highlights with it. The ninth one is the Minka Air Supera Smart Ceiling Fan, which is the traditional pull chain control which you want with no have a wire to control it. And the control both the fan and the light with the smart devices also compatible. The 10 one is the Minka Air Extreme Smart Ceiling Fan, which are the largest in this list and can be utilized indoor and outdoor with compatible with the Alexa and the Google Home and incorporates also handheld remote control. The next 11 is the Smair 52-inch smart ceiling fan, which are look extraordinary in the modern home. With they are simple to introduce and they compatible with the voice control home gadgets and the operates is the quietly. The last one is the Rega modern smart ceiling fan, which a unique 5-blade ceiling fan, which incredibly flow the airflow worth of work with the smart home gadgets and the lifetime engine guarantee. So, how to choose this smart ceiling fan? Let's understand the factors which affect the smart ceiling fan. The fan style and the design. Choose the best smart fan style which match with your home decor and the home style and home theme. And the next one is the control device, which you have to choose the uh, remote control or voice control or app control. Choose the best one which you suits you best. Next one is the cost of the fan, which also affect the smart ceiling fan. Uh, Although many smart ceiling fan are very highly cost, but you have to choose the best that your comes in your budget. The next one is the energy efficiency, which you have to look in the smart ceiling fan. Many the smart ceiling fan with a good energy efficiency can cost you smart in a long run way. Thank you for watching this video.